In this video, we'll explain how to activate your OBDeleven device and redeem your credits and subscription. Plug the device into the OBD2 port in the vehicle. Open the OBDeleven application on your smartphone. Create an account or log in to the OBDeleven application. Click Connect to the vehicle and select the OBDeleven device from the list. Create a 6-digit password for your device. After successful connection to the vehicle, you'll be able to add credits or a subscription to this account. If a subscription or credits were not added to your account while activating the OBDeleven device, check your email. After successful purchase, you'll receive an email from Voltus IT. Open the email, which contains your digital content. Click on Link to Redeem. Use the OBDeleven application account to sign in. Press Redeem. Now you're ready to diagnose and customize your vehicle via the OBDeleven app. In case you still have some questions, contact us via email or live chat on our webpage.